Hello, everyone. I am Shivana Mukherjee, and I'm really excited to invite you to our Aerospace Careers webinar that's happening online tomorrow. We have some great speakers, both of them who have had experience in the aerospace industry. They're aerospace engineers. One of them works in the field of aeronautics, and the other one in the field of astronautics, which we know as space exploration. So, if you're an aerospace engineering student or a non aerospace engineering student, you are most welcome to come for this webinar tomorrow. We have designed it in a way that will help you understand that no matter which engineering background you come from, all you need to know is how to transition to aerospace. And if you're an aerospace engineering student, you know that we study different subjects, but we cannot specialize in everything. We have aerodynamics, we have flight dynamics, we have propulsion controls, but we can't be masters at everything. So what is how do you know that which one are you good at, which is the one you should choose for your career option? Our first speaker, Rohan, is currently training at the National Test Pilot School in the US. And before this, he has had experience working in the aerospace industry, where he has seen the design and development of a variety of aircrafts. So he's going to tell us what the aeronautics industry is really like. It's not like that we start designing something on paper, draw by hand, and then suddenly magically transforms into a real life aircraft. But what it is that you need to know if you want a career or if you want a job in an aerospace company. And he's going to tell you what kind of education you need, what kind of skills you need to develop, what are the domains that are available in aerospace engineering. And then moving on to our next speaker, Adityan, who is also an aerospace engineer, but he also holds a master's degree in atmospheric science and technology from Italy. He has had experience in space projects before. He has spoken at conferences about his work, and then he got his master's degree, and he's currently working as a meteorologist, if I pronounce that right, at Geosphere Austria. He works with satellite data and algorithms to improve weather forecasting. So Adityan is going to talk about what the space industry is like, what kind of courses and skills you need to get a job in the space industry, be it anywhere, and how do you know the space industry is so vast? How do you exactly know that which is your particular domain that relates and aligns with your education as well as your interests and skills? He's going to give a very elaborate presentation of the space industry, about the different applications of space technology. And in the end, he's also going to help you understand what kind of communities you should be joining, what kind of information sources you should be relying on, because you know there is so much there where you can learn from, but what it is that is good for you, what is aligned with specifically your interests. Both of them have prepared wonderful talks, and the presentations would last for about 90 minutes, which would be followed by a question and answer session where you can directly interact with the speakers. Please understand it's a live session and we would not be providing recordings this time. So I would be very happy if you come and join. And the speakers have told me they have planned something really amazing if you stay till the end of the webinar. So I would love for you to be there tomorrow. 3rd of March, 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we would be starting. So please be there at least a few minutes before the start of the webinar. We would be starting at 2 p.m. sharp. I am posting the link to register. It's a free webinar, so please feel free to sign up on that link and register for this. And if you have peers, classmates, friends, colleagues who are also interested in aerospace and who are really struggling or just want to know what it is to build a career in aerospace engineering, please invite them. We have included both parts of aerospace in this, both aeronautics and astronautics. We are not here to tell you that stare at the sky and dream of stars and you will suddenly land on one. No, we are here to tell you how to streamline your career so you actually can understand whether to build an aircraft or a spacecraft or where your interest really lies and how to actually reach the stars. So I'll see you there, and bring your friends and colleagues, always more the merrier. Thank you.